Hi children, today we are doing a very interesting topic. All of us love to share, isn't it? Share anything, sweets, cakes, anything, toys, whatever we get, storybook. Sharing is very important in our life. Now, look here. Division means equal sharing, yes. At home, if you have a sister or a brother and mommy says sharing, you will say equal sharing. Don't give my sister 2 chocolates and my brother 1. No, you are very particular to divide equally. So today we are going to do division, which means equal sharing. Daddy brings home lovely tiny cakes in a box. He calls your brother and sister and says, now open the box, share equally between the two. Then mommy comes running. Yes, how many tiny cakes are there? Let me see. And when they opened the box, mommy opened, there were 4 cakes. 4 tiny cute cakes with plums on top of it. So the little girl and the boy came and daddy said, you must divide equally between you. Come on, do it. So the brother took 1 cake, the sister took 1. Again the brother took 1 cake and the sister took 1. Now the box is empty. 4 cakes divided equally between 2 children. 4 divided by 2. So they get 2 cakes each. That is what we are going to do. Division. What is division? Division means equal sharing. Each one must get 2. If you give the brother 3 and sister 1, finished. Now sometimes grandma brings home big chocolates and she says, come here, children. And if there are 3 children, and grandma says, look, I have a box. It has big, huge chocolate. Share it equally among you. And she gives the box. And they opened the box and there were how many big chocolate? Huge, 6 chocolate. How many children? 3 children. So he says, I'm not going to divide. You divide equally among you. What is division? Division means equal sharing. No fighting, equal sharing. So they opened the box. Each child took 1 chocolate each. Again, 1 more round, 1 each. Now, 6 chocolate divided between 3 children. 6 divided by 3 equal to 2. So when you divide 6 chocolate between 3 children, how many each will get? Each child will get 2 chocolate. And the grandma was happy that no fighting. Today we are going to learn to understand what is division. Division means equal sharing, not taking extra. Division means equal sharing. Let's look at a colorful picture for you to see and understand. Look. So we are going to look at and understand division means equal sharing. Good. Look at this beautiful, colorful picture in front of you. Who's standing over here? Good. Yes, Santa. What does Santa do? He brings gifts for little girls and boys who are very good, who've been going to school, who've been doing the homework, who've been good and not crying. So Santa is a man who gives gifts to boys and girls who are very good. Now, how many children can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 kids standing over there. waiting for Santa to give them gifts. Let's read. Santa gave 8 gifts to 4 kids. Equally. One child does not get more than the other. There are 1, 2, 3 kids. 1, 2, 3, 4 kids. And Santa has 8 gifts. Santa gives 8 gifts to 4 children. So 8 gifts divided equally between 4 kids. What will they get? Each will get how many? That is what we are trying to understand. So what Santa does first? 1, 1, 1, 1 each. Next round, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now, how many gifts each will get? 2, 2, 2, 2. 2, 4, 6, 8. Dividing equally, sharing equally between 4 kids, 8 gifts. Yes? Now, this colorful picture, did you understand? Santa's giving 8 gifts for 4 children. Look. How many gifts were there? There were 8 gifts given by Santa. So here, 1, 2, 3, 4 kids. 1 gift, another 1 gift, another 1 gift, 1 more gift. Next round, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now, each child has now 2, 2, 2, 2 gifts. You see that? They shared it equally among the 4 kids. We say, read this with me, we say that 8 divided by 4. 8 gifts divided by 4 kids, which is equal to 2. 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 divided between 4 children, which is equal to 2. Each child gets 2 gifts each. Very good. Now, when you write in maths, read this with me, we write it as 8. This is the division sign. Okay? Dot on top and bottom of a line. This is the division sign. We write it as 8 divided by 4. 8 divided by 4 equal to 2. 8 divided by 4 equal to 2. The symbol of division is this. This is the symbol of division. This symbol stands for division. So when you have to write division, you put down this symbol like this. 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. Did you enjoy? Good.